At times, the storage tanks of fuel must be neutralized or placed temporarily out of service. The traditional systems used are not the most appropriate, as for instance the method of filling with water. Corrosion of the tanks, polluted water dripping out, and pollution of surroundings are more than likely. The filling with sand is not really a desired method, as it is almost impossible to fill the tank without leaving any empty spaces. Finally, one of the most used and perhaps the least indicated is the filling of concrete. In this case, the weight is the main problem. Removing it in a future expansion or closing down of the service station is almost impossible. The weight for a deposit of 20,000 liters is more than 54 tons. Holland, Germany, Belgium, France, and England are just some of those who already use the foam Basel. Basel is a perfect product for inerting, temporarily or permanently, any atmospheric storage tank. The advantages are clear. Basel is non-toxic. During injection and expansion of the product, the foam absorbs all the oil residues present in the tank. There is no need for ventilation or pre-cleaning, unless the law says differently. The foam fills the tank completely without leaving any empty spaces. The process requires an opening of just 3 inches from the injector pipes, and the other for the venting does not require any dismantling of pipes or the manhole. The process is very fast, efficiently, and above all, safe. The speed of injection is 18 cubic meters per hour per injector. The once hardened foam has a lifespan of more than 150 years in closed conditions, such as tanks. The total weight of a 20,000 liter tank is 500 pounds compared to 34 tons of sand and more than 54 tons of concrete. The foam protects the walls of the tank against corrosion and its lengthening of life, facing the option of future reuse. Removing the foam is no problem, and it's environmentally friendly, unlike the sand, which is very complex and costly to treat. With concrete, this is impossible. It has a resistance to temperature of up to 220 degrees centigrade. The application is quick, clean, and simple. In an environmental condition, a tank full of foam can be extracted and stored at the surface without the risk of accumulation of gases and without any problem for the safety of the environment. It also can be moved easily with a simple crane. Inerting of tanks and pipes is not only Basel application. Their special properties make the ideal for filling up all sewage systems, canal walls, harbor walls, mine shafts, or the absorption of hydrocarbons that have been accidentally spilled into rivers and canals is very effective. Besides the foam Basel, Rafibra also applies and exclusively distributes another product with similar characteristics, but with a very different application. The hydrocell foam fills in the space around newly installed gasoline tanks to fit them safely and within a period of 12 to 24 hours, depending on the outside temperature. It's sufficiently hardened and the area will be closed in with a final layer of armored concrete. The advantages compared to other systems for filling are very clear. It is very easy to apply as much around and under the tank without leaving voids or empty spaces. The foam does not adhere and does not react chemically with the walls of the tank. It has an extreme high insulating power. Finally, hydrophobic qualities allow you to repel water effectively. Rafibra has the exclusive of these products in Spain and Portugal.